Hello dear students, myself Vedika Ramesh Gullane, student of BSc 3rd year from Sri Shivaji Science College. My seminar topic is pesticides. In this script, we see the introduction, classification and information about the pesticides. So, we see the introduction of pesticide. Chemicals which are used to kill insects, fungi, and weeds are called pesticides. These pesticides are used to protect the plants from diseases. Pesticides are among the widely used chemicals in the world. Pesticides are some chemical substances that are used in agriculture field for destroying unnecessary insects, fungi, herbs, microbes, etc. People may also be exposed to pesticides used in variety of settings including home, school, hospital and workplace. There is a darker side of pesticide also. Some of them are very toxic and leave a permanent effect. Such pesticides are called hard pesticide. DDT is a hard pesticide because it is not easily degraded and destroyed by environment process. Now see the classification of pesticide. Pesticides are classified into many classes depending on different criteria, but some of the subclasses of pesticides are insecticide, herbicide, fungicide and rodenticide. Now, first we see the insecticide. These are pesticides which are used to destroy insects. This can be of organic or inorganic origin. Organic origin insecticides include organic insecticide and phosphate insecticide. First, organic insecticide. These are stable to light and heat. The example are DDT, benzene hexachloride and aldrin. Phosphate insecticide. These are very poisonous to insect. These insecticides destroy harmful as well as useful insect. Example malathion. In inorganic origin insecticides, fluorine compound in the form of sodium, calcium, barium, fluorosilicates. Arsenic compound like arsenates of calcium and lead, mercury chloride and calomel act as insecticide. Now see the synthesis of insecticide. Malathion. The structure is given. Now see the uses. It is not hard insecticide. It can be easily degraded by environmental conditions. Thus it leaves no ill effect. It is a real boon to the farmers to protect the crops from pest and insect. Malathion is a potent and effective insecticide against insect, fungi and weed. It has the merit of being less toxic to mammals. Now, second one is herbicide. Pesticides which are used to destroy unwanted weeds in the crop are called herbicide. Some example simazine 2,4-D and 2,4,5-T. Selective herbicides kill specific weeds and leave the desired crop unharmed. Some plants produce natural herbicide. Herbicides are widely used in agriculture. Some herbicides are applied to soil before the crop emerges and prevent growth of the weed. Few herbicides regulate growth hormone of the plants. They act on the cell membrane and are effective in control of dicot plants. 2,4-D is a synthetic auxin herbicide. Now see the synthesis of herbicide. 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Structure of 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid is given. Uses. It is a common pesticide or herbicide used in the control of broadleaf weeds. It is most widely used herbicide in the world. 2,4-D is a synthetic auxin and is used in laboratory for plant research. It is used as a supplement in plant cell culture such as MS medium. Now, third one is fungicide. There are many fungi which are responsible for producing plant diseases. Chemicals which destroy such fungi are called fungicide. Some example of Fungicide are Bordeaux, which is a mixture of lime, CuSO4, and water. Fungi can cause serious damage in agriculture, resulting in losses of yield, quality, and profit. Fungicides are used both in agriculture and to fight against fungal infection in animals. Some of the following compounds can be used as fungicide: tea tree oil, jojoba oil, neem oil, milk, and rosemary oil. Now see the synthesis of fungicide. Theorem. The structure is given. Uses: as an accelerator and vulcanization agent in the rubber industry, used to prevent fungal diseases in seed and crops; as an animal repellent to protect fruit trees and ornamentals from damage by rabbits, rodents, and deer. Theorem is also an environmental degradation product of the two fungicides, Forbum and Xerum. Now, fourth one is rodenticide. Rodenticides are pest control chemicals which are used to kill rodents. Rodents are usually difficult to kill with poisons because their feeding habits are like scavenger. They will eat a small bit of something and wait, and if they don't get sick, they continue. An effective rodenticide must be tasteless and odorless in lethal concentration and have a delay effect. Rodenticides are so dangerous that if given in single feed bait, the rodent is killed in first dose only. Example: warfarin. Thank you.